Justin. I'm going to teach you how to draw the blackbird. So I will use red for the eyebrow.
Oh, so I have to keep cleaning? Is that still an option?
Robbie, can you get to the door?
No.
Okay.
My arm is
I'm done with the red.
giant lint folder.
So
Oh, come on. It can't be that heavy. On the contrary, sister. It is
now
quite dense. It appears to have a solid core of petrified
draw the beak orange.
Jessie, she's great in the crisis. Down, boy! Somebody help me! Please get me out! The judge is holding it! Don't worry, help is on the way! He's doomed.
Okay.
I've decided to make
So this is what it's supposed to be looking like. So then
Already feel the air getting thicker.
time for the gray.
Almost out of oxygen. No. It just is the suffocating stench of Bertram's socks.
Hey, you broke into my room.
So
Betty, if you ever find this tape, I want you to know you have been a wonderful little sister. And I also want you to know it was I who scratched your Dolly Parton CD. I knew it! And I will always love you. You're here. You have to save Robbie so I can pound him.
okay, so there's what it's supposed to look like. In the eyes and the bottom.
Look, Itchy's Bob. Not Itchy's Bob. It was not Itchy's Bob. Get me out of here. Great. Now I have to tell Morgan and Christina that I turned Luke into a rabid Rottweiler and got Robbie buried under a giant landslide of junk. On the right side, you told me about that part. Now that would have been a disaster.
En las 10, como las 10:30 me metieron. Como 11:40.
I know you're mad at me, but we can't step under a giant ball of weight. What's that for?
No está muy bien. No.
Awesome. Go get him. Nice. Okay, Nine. I've been practicing in case I get a puppet for Christmas. Hint, hint. Fine.
Guys, none of this would have happened if I just let you get rid of all my ridiculous junk. I'm ready to throw it all away now.
Even the Russian nesting dolls. Look, I'm really sorry. I tried to
Entonces
feel
está
like
tarde ahorita.
I'm responsible for you, and I couldn't get you to listen to me any other way. Without discipline, people end up
Entonces Marisa te parece.
Okay. So
¿Sí?
here is how it will look. Remember?
Si hablar
Put
antes,
the
no te
dot
esperan que
on
me
its head. So I hope you like this tutorial.
Esto está bien, entonces no te voy limpiando el dolor ahorita.
Don't forget to have comments, rate it.
No.
See you later.